Today we talk about IO-Link. IO-Link is industrial communication protocol. It's fast. It's point-to-point communication. IO-Link is the first I/O technology for communication with sensor and actuator. It's a digital interface for connecting sensor and actuator. It's fast and point-to-point protocol, easy to configure and commission, simple vary, and reduce variety of interface for sensor and actuator. IO-Link including three components. The important one is IO-Link master. Other one is IO-Link device, including sensor, wall, motor star, and I/O module. Other one is the cable. IO-Link use unshared 3-conductor or 5-conductor cable, depending on what your device. This cable connection from IO-Link mast to the IO-Link device. Okay, IO-Link mast you can see in the control cabinet or remote side. IO-Link must establish the connection between IO-Link device and the automation system. Look at this. This called IO-Link mast. This device motor start. The device is a sensor and actuator. Okay, this is IO-Link located in the control panel. Okay, this IO-Link located in the remote side. Okay, also IO-Link is communication to the PLC by using feed bus. So this IO-Link mast. IO-Link mast. This one is device. Device is IO-Link mast. This IO-Link mast. So IO-Link mast connection as IO-Link mast use feed bus. Okay. So is computer use Ethernet connection. Is PLC, yes, use Ethernet. The IO-Link must communicate with over various feedbacks of product-specific backplanned bus. IO-Link must can have several IO-Link port. Here, every IO-Link must have several port. Most time is 8 port, every port connection device. So IO-Link device can be connected to each port. So that's called point-to-point communication. So IO-Link is point-to-point communication, not feed bus. So feed bus just connection to the PLC and high-level control system. This is called IO-Link interface. IO-Link is a series bidirectional point-to-point connection for signal transmission and power supply and any network feed bus. All the IO-Link just use M12 plug connector. This M12 plug connector is which is for sensor use 4-pin plug, for actuator use 5-pin plug. All the IO-Link master use 5-pin M12 socket. This one is ionic master. Most time is 5-pin socket. So this plug to here is connection. So connection the cable, ionic. The maximum is cable length is 20 meter. So device is connected to the master through the unshared 3 or 5 liter standard cable with a length at most 20 meter. Shared is not necessary. Okay, this link, this one maximum 20 meter. Okay, 20 meter. The I/O link must replace a traditional analog input with a digital communication between the master and the device. Most I/O link use 8 I/O link port. Connection is device, maximum is mostly is 8 device, so 1 I/O link master. Is a device including sensor and wall. Wall is actuated, is control wall. Yeah. I/O module can be connected to a single master depending on the configuration of the master. The master transmitter machine data, processing parameter, diagnostic information to a PLC or to high-level control system. Okay, I/O link use 24 volts. I/O link is the pin is socket. Is ionic master have socket. Okay, every socket have 5 pin. Most time we use 1, 3, 4. 1 connection 24 volts positive. 3 connection 0. Okay, is negative 0. Okay, port 4 or is pin 4 connections to I/O link communication line. Look like this. Yes, 24 volts. Is 2 just if you use 2 just digit output. Yeah. Yeah. This one how to connection 24 Ds is power supply connection to the I/O link master. Okay. It's 24 volts supply to the I/O link master. This I/O link device, this I/O link master. So this 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. 4 is communication, is I/O link communication. 1 is positive, 3 is negative. Okay, it's port. It have 3 port. Okay, oh, most is I/O link have 8 port. Is port have class A and class B. Class A just use 4 pin, 1 positive 24 volts, 3 is negative 24 volts. Number 4 port, number 4 pin is the communication. Number 2 pin is digit input and digital output. The pin 2 is usually assigning with an additional digit channel. This class B uses the pin 5. If you have need more power supply, use pin 5 is additional supplied voltage. Okay, All the same thing, just pin 5, use pin 5. Before we log, is 4, we use 4 pin just for sensor, use 5 pin just for activate control wall, okay? Is IODD5. IODD5 is called electronic device description. It's available for each device. In communication, in PLC, all the communication system, they have special file for the PLC, for the communication protocol. Okay, in IO link, we use IODD5. The IODD5 store a lot of information. For example, is a communication property, device parameter, process diagnostic date, device date, is illustration of the device, okay, is the logo of the manufacturer. All the IODD5 is the same for all the device, same structure for all the device of all the manufacturer. Transmission rate is baud rate. Is IO link have 3 kinds. COM1 is 4.8 K baud rate. COM2 is 38.4 K baud rate. COM3 is 230.4 K baud rate. An IO-Link device supports only one of the defined data transmission rates. The IO-Link must support all the data transmission rates and adapts itself automatically to the data transmission rate supported by the device. Okay, response time. Response time is IO-Link. Just provide the information about the frequency and the speed of the data transmission between device and the master. IODD5 contains a value of the minimum cycle time of the device. Okay. The value indicates the time interval at which the master may address the device. The value has a large influence on the response time. The master, IO-Link master has an internal process time. Devices have different cycle time. So your device should be configured on the master. The different devices have the different response time, okay? So every time if you use IO-Link master, you should have to configuration, okay? IO-Link is a very robust communication system. If transmission fail, just then send again is fail again. Is 2 times fail. The 3rd time is he send information to the PLC on the high level control system. Also, he keeps something on the HMI SCADA to display its fail information. Okay. For example, here is cable is disconnect. Here is needs SCADA HMI. He show is fail. Okay. The 3rd time, if your send signal is not fail, then he send to the fail singular high level controller. 1st time, 2nd time, just send the signal. Repeat 2 more time. Okay. The IO-Link data type is how 4 basic data type. The cyclic date is called process date or value status. Is a cyclic date is including device date and events. Process date sensor and actuate current status. Process date is from 0 to 32 bytes. Okay. Value date is each port has a value status. This value status. The value status indicate whether the process data are value or non-value. Device date. Device data can be a parameter. Identification date, diagnostic information. This device can be writing to the device. Okay. It's called write. Also, read from the device called read. Okay. This device type, writing an ink device. Event. What means event? Event means the cyclic is not a cyclic only, just have error message. If your something wrong system, he send error message. This is called events. Or warning, maintenance state, soldering, overheating, for example, is called event. When an event occurs, the device signals the presence of the event to the master. The master then read out the event. Error message are transmitted from the device to the control. Error message are transmitted from the device to the controller or the HMI via I/O link master. I/O link master can also transmit events and status on its behavior. For example, web blocking or communication fail is not HMI. Operating mode. I/O link have 4 operating modes. First one is called I/O link. That means its port is used for I/O link communication. Here's communication. Second one called DI is the port look like a digital input. Digital input behavior look like digital input here. Okay. The DQ is the port behavior like a digital output. Okay. Digital output. It's deactivity. Just this port unused, it's called deactivity. The I/O link is modern technology, so it have more benefit. First, it improves the product quality and low cost, increase efficiency, and improve machine uptime. Okay, this I/O link all information. The developing fast, maybe in the future, is digital device. You just use I/O link. It's fast. It's cheap. Okay. Now you can see it's video about I/O link.